All right. So later in the presentation, we talk about, this is what we talk about. When a buyer prospect previews your home, Mr. and Ms. Smith, and does not make you an offer, we can make them an offer. So let's say Una, this is perfect. Una had a client. She came to see one of my listings. She didn't make me an offer. I'm going to make Una an offer. Right? And my offer is whatever it is, 70% of market value. She has a home to sell. So our express offer program, when most agents can only work with 20% of the market, we can work with 100% of the market, Ms. Smith. 100% because of our express offer program. Well, really, well, how does that work, Anthony? I'm so glad you asked. Because you can get a cash offer 21 days, no showings, no open house, no repairs, no stress. Oh, well, who's buying my home? I'm so glad you asked. We partner with $177 billion hedge funds and investment firms to buy your homes. Oh, what county are you in, Miss Smith? Oh, I'm in Kyle, Gwinnett, Fulton, Douglas, DeKalb, Atlanta, Sandy Springs, Marietta, Cherokee, DeKalb. Oh, yeah, we can definitely help you. You guys with me?
Yep.
This is a powerful listing presentation. Powerful.